In general, an employer should always follow the manufacturer's recommendations for storing and maintaining and even disposal of a portable ladder. In general, we want to store portable ladders in a fashion where they're not going to get damaged. So an example of that is a wooden ladder, if it is stored improperly, can begin to sag and lose its straightness of its side rails if it's stored at an angle outside within the weather, that sort of stuff. You generally don't want to store a ladder with other materials on top of it, so you'd never want to use your ladder as a shelf and then store extra materials on top of that ladder.
These guys that have service vans, what do? They throw their ladders on the top of the service vans. So, you go from a day being 45 to here come Monday or Tuesday, it's going to be 90. So they see all this temperature change, and that can really affect a ladder. If you can get them out of the weather once in a while, but if they're going to sit on your truck 365, it's going to be inevitable. They're going to fade, they're going to spider web and stuff like that. The other thing is, don't drag them off your rack and let them bounce off the ground. That just blows them apart. They're fiberglass.